Are you interested in engineering and making a difference? Every challenge is an invitation to change. At the School of Sustainable Energy Engineering, we believe in starting with action. From clean energy to smart cities, our students are shaping tomorrow. SFU is leading by example, designing green campuses with LEED certified buildings and infrastructure for the future. Hands-on learning, real impact. We are the only sustainable energy engineering program in Western Canada. We're not just learning, we're building, one sustainable solution at a time. The future is opportunity. Together, we transform it into reality. Join us and shape what's next.